Hello, and you're watching TV9 News, and I'm your host Dipakk. Now, with 3 more days to go for the completion of 1 month since the inoculation drive began, all those healthcare workers who received the first dose of the vaccine would be administered the second dose or the booster dose of the vaccine. Now, initially, the vaccination drive did not receive a good response. We say it had a sluggish start. But after the government took various steps to spread awareness about the importance of COVID-19 vaccine and also its reactions, more and more healthcare workers came forward to take the first dose. So today, all the healthcare workers who received their first dose on the 16th of January received the second dose, or rather the booster dose of the vaccine. So here are some quick facts about this particular drive. Now, according to the doctors, the second round of COVID-19 vaccine booster dose is to be given to a beneficiary after a gap of 28 days. And according to reports, more than 77 lakh healthcare workers and also frontline workers have received the first shot up until Friday. So the central government has also said that adding that 97% of the beneficiaries are satisfied with the overall vaccination drive. So the country has now set a target of vaccinating more than 30 crore people against the deadly virus by July 2021. So essentially, the first dose of the vaccine is designed to train your body to recognize the killer virus and also ramp up the immune system. The second dose of COVID-19 vaccine is called the booster shot, which further boosts the immune system of your body, and hence the administration of both the shots is very essential. So one question that arises now is what happens if you delay the second shot? So let's get an expert opinion from an immunologist who could probably tell us whether the person would experience any sort of a reaction. Dr. Sitesh, many thanks for joining us. Now, could you please answer my question that is it safe to delay a second vaccine dose?
So Dipakk, when we talk about the second dose or the booster dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, there are 2 factors. You have asked me about the safety, and what we really need to be concerned about is the efficacy. Now, with regards to safety, there is generally no risk or concern if someone is unable to get the vaccine at 4 weeks and ends up getting it at 5, 6 or 7 weeks because we don't expect the vaccine to cause any reactions or problems just because the gap between the 2 doses has increased. However, when we talk about efficacy, there is certainly a science behind why it is recommended to get the booster dose at 4 weeks. Generally, when a vaccine is given, the body mounts an immune response in which first IgM, which is the reactive antibody, is produced, after which IgG, which is the protective, neutralizing, long-lasting antibody, is produced. And hence, because the IgG response peaks at around 3 to 4 weeks, giving a booster thereafter is found to be optimal. Now, if someone can't get it at 4 weeks and ends up getting it at 5 or 6 weeks, it is believed that the vaccine would still do fine. But if someone were to go beyond a duration of 12 weeks, which is 3 months from the first dose, then the protective antibody that was produced by the first vaccination or the primary immunization will start declining and waning, and hence the person will be at a higher risk of getting the infection in the interval if there is that big of a gap. So to be safe, people should be getting their second dose between 4 and 6 weeks ideally, and that's what is recommended all over the world for the variety of different vaccines that are there.
Well, experts have clarified that the second shot can be taken anytime between 4 to 6 weeks from the time the first dose was administered. But that doesn't give you the license to delay it further. If you delay it, then you'll never know if the vaccine would be efficacious post your delay or not. If you guys have liked this piece of information that I've shared with you all today, please do drop in your comments, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 News on various social media platforms. Many thanks for watching.